I'm Jeff with Two Moose Design, and I want to give you guys a tour of the original Two Moose shop basement while I'm still fully functioning and working down here before I move into the new shop. So I'm going to start out with just giving you guys a tour, showing you around, and then I'll quickly walk through the process of how we work. So in here is our finishing assembly room, I guess you could call it. It is 18 by 15. And as you can see, we have a window down here, which is a huge help. Our house is actually an earth home, so that means the whole front of our house is windows, and the whole back half of our house is covered by dirt. And then we have cameras over here, which is pretty cool because we work in our basement, so we never see anyone coming or going, and we always have shipments and stuff coming in and out. So it's nice to see them coming before they get here, so we can rush and get out there. This is the CNC, the front of our house, the driveway, our kitchen. And then we have the router table over here, dust collector over here. I believe that's a 1.25 horsepower chop box, bandsaw, grinder thing, and then our benchtop joiner. Well, we have this accessory closet, just keep some tools in here, clock parts, bowls, all that good stuff. Fridge, bunch of unorganized tools. And then out here, this is our CNC. This is the 1000 millimeter X-Carve. We have all the fun accessories that come with it. And this is just the stairs that come down to the basement. And that's a failed project. I actually glued the top to that and it did not go well. We were gonna burn it, but it ended up getting filled full of stuff, so it never made it that far. And then this is a coffee table I made in high school. This is out of oak. It's just storage now. And this is a majority of our shop. This out here is 18 by 25. We have a bunch of box storage over here, more box storage over here. It's our miter saw, bunch of scraps, Delta table saw. This is where we store all of our wood. We bring all of our wood in through that door. Luckily it's a walkout basement. And then, so this is pretty much all, we try to keep this full at all times. We mainly have pine on hand, and then we have some walnut, some oak up here, and then we have some maple and other stuff down here. We go through between 600 and 700 board foot of pine every other week. As you can see, we have a bunch of stuff piled up over here. This is 1 week's of orders. We have about 30 to 40 items going out every week, and it's a 7 to 8 day process. Typically, we'll cut everything, put everything in kits, and then we'll assemble everything, sand everything, and then put the finish on everything, and then we package. And that typically, on average, is 7 to 8 days. We do most of the cutting out here, and then we do most of the assembly and finishing in the other room. And we've been doing this just under 2 years, and we've done just over 2,300 orders, which is a lot, granted that we're in a basement. The entire working area we have is roughly just under 700 square feet. Everything is stacked and organized per color, so this stuff's all getting painted. This is a type of stain. This stuff's all getting stained or painted. So this is the end of the tour. I don't have anything left to show you guys. We got a bunch of products over here finished, so I'll give you guys a quick view of that, what it looks like. This 30 to 40 items equals about 3 pickup trucks full. This is about what we'll be doing all day. Thanks for checking out our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the rest of the updates with the new shop. We got all the new tools in already. Now we're going to be working on the dust collection and insulation and all that good stuff. We're hoping to be in there and working by the end of the year. If you guys like what we do, check us out on Instagram. We do daily updates, videos, all kinds of stuff. Thanks for checking out the video. This out on. You should take your hoodie. I don't have anything left. You who follow along. For those of you who follow along, you know. Thanks for checking it out.